Looking for a residential multi-stacking sliding door? The Vantage Residential DStacker is the ideal choice for patios where a wide opening is desired. This 3-panel stacking door opens to 2/3 of its width, providing excellent connection to the great outdoors and great ventilation. If you select a bi-parting option, the DStacker can span a huge 8 metres. This door is available in a wide range of configurations, with an optional applied fly door that can be fitted to the external frame. Flat fillers are fitted to the unused internal tracks to keep the door sill looking neat and tidy, avoiding the accumulation of dust and debris. This door system will accept double glazing, and panels are fitted with heavy-duty rollers for long-term smooth operation. There's a range of single and multi-point lock options, providing you with choices for security and style. And of course, the Vantage Residential Series DStacker sliding door is available in a wide range of colours to suit your home or building project.